have a very vested interest in this school, let me tell you. You are standing right now in the grass. That used to be, you know, the side of the old building was there, and there was an overhang that,
buses and
right, where you could walk along the cafeteria.
Bailey, my wife Joan.
Laura Madison.
Bev Petlin.
Sandy Petlin, I'm class of 70.
Rick Youngberg.
Kathy Stasak. I married somebody in class of 68, Tom Smith.
Dave Keeley, this is my wife Jody and my daughter Hannah.
I'm a student ambassador, and I really like AP chemistry.
Wow.
Go ahead, Joe, just kind of bland.
Stairway is the same. Okay. Nothing has changed. The brick is the same. You'll see those yellow tiles on the walls in certain areas. Those are still the same. This used to be the yellow kitchen. Does anybody remember the yellow kitchen? Currently, it's our child development lab. This is still the original stage. New lighting, of course. We now have wireless microphones for the main performers, so the sound system in here is amazing. So we've upgraded it quite a bit in addition to the physical things that you see here. The drama department here is awesome. Yes, this is the second time they're going. For the Fringe Festival, which is a worldwide festival, you have to be invited. The entrance It didn't used to be that way when you were here, and the floor below it is all math. And when I went here, it was social studies and all kinds of things. So, but what we call this is the nucleus in the science department. And what we are finding, because students today are used to devices, learning where even though maybe they're seeing things in video, or they're still used to doing.
Harold Dash.
Gary Shepard.
Mike Miller.
Laura Chapman Shepherd.
John Nixon.
Steve Troy. Bob Kramer.
Marsha Casey.
Jimmy DeMay, class of 70.
I have so many students taking this class. You can see it's color-coded. We have color-coded rooms for chemistry, for biology, for earth science. All the cabinetry was new.
Do you even remember your combination?
In the meantime, no, not yet. Instrument storage used to be along here. Remember that? Mr. Howard. The choir room is no longer here. It's now been made into practice rooms. And but the choir room is over here. They have their
Chuck Clark. Tom Friend. Mike Ferguson.
Rich Spahn, my wife Paula.
Don Eckert.
John Casey.
Where should we go next? We go.
I remember the night we beat the Canadians, we had never been beaten in this game.
I was going through
They were sitting on the floor
No, yeah, and I'm walking
all the way around.
over there, and we used a lot of this for our gym classes in the wintertime. and then lower level volleyball, basketball, things like that. I don't know, that's the swim coach.
This is funny.
No, that's the swim coach. Where do we want to go next? What have you not seen?
In the water.
You want to go in the water? Oh, I'm sure it's a long time since. So as long as you stay out of the construction area, you can go out here and play, okay?
Hey, how's it going? 50th, man.
We still have traditional chalkboards, but we also have whiteboards.
Never heard of that.
These classrooms are still the same as they were when they were built in 1999. Hey, America can't get excellent Wi-Fi here, so we done a really good job.
That's pretty good. So
Yeah, I mean, bathroom, but you were already going for that.